Do not hunker down or cower in fear, a staunch warning to the Jewish community in Jamaica following what is being described as a rise in attacks against Jews globally. Kalisha Williams has our story.
Terror in Sydney, Australia on Sunday. A Jewish event at the Bondi Beach turned deadly. 15 people, including 2 rabbis, killed. 27 people still in hospital, hundreds traumatized. Director of the Chabad community in Jamaica, Rabbi Yaakov Raskin, said the Jewish community in Jamaica has a very close relationship with Australia. In fact, he had a good relationship with the father-in-law of one of the rabbis killed.
Anytime I officiate weddings here for our local crowd or the many visitors coming to Jamaica, I always ask them to reach out to this Jewish court in Sydney to receive their Jewish identification. And it's very close to home because I know that rabbi personally. His son-in-law, I did not have close direct contact, but we know of them. And then I understand as well the secretary of that rabbinical court was murdered, and may God avenge their blood.
The Australian police have described the incident as an act of terrorism. 2 suspects, a father and son duo, are said to be behind the incident. They say the father, 50-year-old Sajid Akram, who moved to the country in 1998, was killed at the scene, and his 24-year-old son, Naveed Akram, is hospitalized in critical condition. Also, in an act of bravery, a bystander managed to disarm Sajid Akram as he attempted to attack more people. Now, according to Rabbi Raskin, while there has been a rise in anti-Semitism or hostility towards Jews globally, now is not the time for Jews in Jamaica to cower in fear.
What happened yesterday in Sydney, Australia is horrifying. And the way to fight back anti-Semitism is not to bunker down, is to be more prouder who we are and share our story. We don't fight darkness with sticks, with swords, with guns.
While he stressed that Jews living in Jamaica are not victims of anti-Semitism locally, Rabbi Yaakov said what affects one Jewish community anywhere in the world impacts the entire community. And so, as they continue to rally together locally to assist the victims of Hurricane Melissa, he's urging all Jews in the country to fight against it.
The Jewish resilience is strong. We never bunker down. The way to fight terror is by adding more light. And this time, I say this with a lot of pain, but our light will roar like the world has never seen.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.